Hey guys, it's Mr. Kyle Myers Mathematics, and let's jump into it. I want to make a quick video today about the difference between a sequence, so a sequence versus a series. So a sequence versus a series, a lot of people get them confused, and the example I'm actually showing you is a sequence. But if I write it like this, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus ... Now it's a series. So a sequence is, well, a sequence of numbers. And the numbers can be in any order. When you're talking about sequence and series in Calc 2, we're talking about ordered numbers. There's some sort of pattern. Sometimes it's a tricky pattern, but there's a pattern usually because they want you to write it with an explicit or a recursive formula. Or for a series, maybe they want you to find the sum of a finite amount. Or in some cases, you'll be able to find the sum even if it's infinite. And if you can't, then it's called divergent. So a while ago, we did a series on series, and I'm going to pick that back up probably starting next week, maybe doing a video a day because, well, each problem that I'm doing is based on the OpenStax textbook, and each problem doesn't take too long. Some of them might take a little longer than others, but we're going to start that back up. But the difference between a sequence and a series is basically just whether you're listing them or whether you're adding them. And one last thing about the difference is that if I say AN equals, and then I write out what this is. So this is an addition of 2 each time, right? So this is an arithmetic sequence. And this arithmetic sequence can be described like this. AN is equal to A1, which is 1, plus the common difference is 2 times n minus 1. All right, so that's actually something you learn not even in Calc 2, but as early as algebra or geometry. And that's the sequence. So that's the sequence. We could simplify it a little bit, but we don't need to for the purpose of this video. If I do this, and I want to go, let's say, it doesn't have to be infinite. Let's say we start at, let's not use n. Let's use k. I is more common, but I like k better. Let's say k equals 1, and we go to, I don't know, 5. So this is a finite sum. This letter looks like an E, but it's actually a capital Greek S. They call their S sigma. So this is a capital Greek sigma. So it's called sigma notation. You might have heard that before from the professor or from the book. But if I say this, now I'm saying a series. That's the proper mathematical notation for a series. Whereas when I say a sub n equals, that is a sequence. I'm not adding up all the numbers in the sequence. I'm just giving you a way to find each number in the sequence individually. Whereas with the summation notation, I'm literally saying I want to add up all the numbers from the first term to the fifth term. So in this case, it would be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. And then the sum of all those is the answer to that math problem. So obviously it gets more complicated, especially at the Calc 2 level. I'm going to pick back up with that series on series problems. It's 5.1 in the OpenStax Calc 2 textbook, which is a free online textbook. Highly recommend if you haven't started class yet. You may not even need the textbook if the teacher's requiring it. Maybe get it. But if it's not a required textbook, you might not even need to get the textbook because the one online for free is pretty good, actually. So check that out. It's OpenStax. You'll be able to just click around until you find it. I might do a link down in the description below. If you don't see it, let me know. It means I forgot to put it down there. But I'll end the video there. And yeah, check it out. So difference between a sequence and a series. A sequence is a list. A series is a sum. All right, this has been Mr. Kyle with Myers Mathematics. Check out my 5 math mistakes everyone makes and how to avoid them. It's on my website, Myers Mathematics, and I'll catch you in the next video soon. Blessings, y'all.